Buenas buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. Today we are in Bergen County, Tenafly, New Jersey. So today's project is about replacing flat roof vents. So we have those old flat roof vents, okay, which seem no good. So we're gonna replace using those higher ones, so they will not get leaking with the snow. Okay, so we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 vents. All right, so right here we start removing the old one. All right, so once we start removing the old ones, and we have to install the new ones. Okay, so and right here we are on continue. So this one is installed, and now we just apply flashing cement, and then over the flashing cement we will install the rubber, and this is how it will look into the end. All right, so Three Brothers Roofing on residential. It's hard to, because this is not flat, but they use flat roof material, so they use rubber instead of shingles, because this roof, it has plenty slope to install shingles, but they decide to go with the rubber. Okay, fine. So but they didn't install the right vents, so that's why they have some water leaking due to the vents problem. So not a problem, we will remove the old one and install new ones. All right, so this one we have to install the head, and done. Okay, so now we have our rubber ready for the installation. So first we remove the old one. After we remove it, we install the new one, and after we install the new one, now we are installing the rubber, and after the rubber we have to install the head. Okay, so we good to go. At this point the head is installed, and this is how it looks, all the new vents. All right, and the most important thing, no more leaking. All right, so install and install and done. All right, so another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.